Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to compare two of the most popular e-bikes on the market, the Super73 versus the Lectric XP. Electric bikes are taking over and these are two of the best on the market. Today we're going to compare the pros and cons of each and help you decide which bike is right for you. I'm going to leave a link in the description for upgrades and accessories for both bikes, so if you're interested in anything you see, check out the link below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Let's start with the Super73. It comes with a 768 watt removable battery, giving you 50 plus miles of range using Echo pedal assist and 30 plus miles using just throttle. It's listed as a class 2, so top speed is 20 miles per hour, but really it's more in the 25 to 30 range. It's definitely a lot faster than my Lectric XP. The Super73 also comes with fat all-terrain tires, giving you the capability to go just about anywhere. Let's talk about the Lectric XP. It comes with a 500 watt motor capable of 45 plus miles on a full charge and 25 miles per hour. I did a full review on this bike. The link is going to be in the description. When it comes to portability, the Lectric XP wins hands down. It folds in half, the handlebars come down. I'm able to fit two bikes in the SUV, making it easy for transport. The Super73 on the other hand, you're going to need a truck or a car with a hitch to mount the bikes. I recommend these from KAC, the link will be in the description. When it comes to the motor, the Super73 has a 1000 watt motor while the Lectric XP has a 500 watt motor. You can definitely feel the difference when you accelerate, and the Super73 reaches top speed a lot faster. When it comes to battery life, you really can't go wrong with either one. The Super73 is rated at 50 plus miles on a full charge, while the Lectric XP is rated at 45 miles. If you're buying an electric bike, you definitely want to hold down that throttle and see how fast you can go, and both bikes are able to go 25 miles per hour. The Super73 has that 1000 watt motor and you definitely feel it when you accelerate. It is a lot quicker than the Lectric XP. Let's talk about why you're purchasing a fat tire bike, and that is to take it just about anywhere you can think of.
Look where we at right now. Can't do this with no other bike. What?
This might be a walk your bike down the hill kind of moment.
It's definitely a walk down the hill moment.
Yeah. Nope, we rode our bikes down the hill like a bunch of dummies. I've taken my bike in sand, snow, mud, over rocks, and these bikes just perform. You can take them absolutely anywhere and have some fun with them. The Lectric XP comes with a nice large LCD screen that shows your battery life, your speed, and your pedal assist mode. It comes with 5 levels of pedal assist, and one thing that differentiates both bikes is that the Lectric XP has a 7-speed shifter. The Lectric XP also comes with a nice LED light in the front. While it's not the same size as the Super73, it gets the job done.
What's up? This is my black Super73 S1. Just picked it up last year. It's too much fun. Changed a couple things to it. Got the brown leather cafe racer style seat. Changed the pedals. Went with the cafe racer style mountain bike handlebars with some different grips. You got 4 different modes on there. You can all control it with this controller. So right here, without anything, it's your pedal assist. Switch to eco, which is like the lowest speed. Pedal assist, you could do throttle as well. Mid, and your high is where you're pedaling and you could just hit top speed. You got an LED lamp where you could control with the controller. It's also super bright at night too. But yeah.
So which bike should you get? It really comes down to how you plan on transporting the bikes. The Lectric XP folds in half, making it super easy to transport, while the Super 73 you're gonna need a hitch and a bike rack. Also, there's the price. The Super 73 comes in at $1,800, while the Lectric XP is $900. You can get 2 Lectric XPs for the price of 1 Super 73. When it comes to looks, the Super 73 definitely has a unique and sleek look to it, while the Lectric XP looks like your traditional bike. Both bikes have excellent build quality, so it really comes down to which bike appeals to you. I went with the Lectric XP, while Sonny went for the Super 73, but you really can't go wrong with either.
So the things I don't like about the bike, it's heavy. Like compared to Mike's bike right here, without the battery and hauling it, it's about 60 to 70 pounds. And so you can't fold it like other e-bikes too. So the only way you could pretty much pull it around is put it on a carrier. So I had to buy a specialized hitch carrier I put on my Forerunner, and lifting it on and off is a mission at times, especially when you got kids trying to help you and do that.
Alright, so this is my Lectric XP. The only con of this bike is the weight. So it's just as heavy as the Super 73, and also the seat. So I replaced the seat with the Cloud 9. The original one is this seat right here, which is super uncomfortable. So as soon as you get your bike, switch out the seat. But it's half the price of the Super 73. It folds in half, so you can transport it easily. I throw both of them in the car, and I'm gone, ready to go. Top speed is 25 miles an hour, and it's just fun. Like if you want to go out and have fun, take it anywhere you can think of, this is the bike. It's a lot easier to handle, it's a lot easier to maneuver, it's a lot easier to carry than pretty much any other bike on the market, and it's one of the best bang for buck that you can get for an e-bike.